trust the cable man. Satellite or direct TV. Never trust the cable man. Satellite or direct TV. Well, he might be working on your cable line, or he might be working on your wife. Started having trouble with my cable line, so I called the cable man out.
I couldn't watch the game.
Started having trouble with my cable line, so I called the cable man out. Told him don't come till after 5 o'clock. 'Cause people, that's when I get home from work. Told my wife he should show up early. She better not let him in. Yeah, I told my wife if he shows up early,